everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be the second video series of this Docker series. And today we will see how we can create container and run it in background, and how we can stop that and start that, and along with that we will see how we can detach it. Okay, so these are the various things you will see. Like, you have faced some situation like in which while you have ran a container, you get into that container and you are unable to come out of it, right? So that issue we will see here. Along with that, we will see how we can uh stop running container, how we can stop the container, okay, and how we will detach it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's go to the lab part, and here let me go to the mobile external. So this is what we have done in the last class. Okay, it is not responding. Let me duplicate this tab. Okay, so now we are here. Let me clear this page. Okay, so see how we can start a stopped container. Okay, for that what we can do. Okay, so how we can start a container. Like, suppose I am creating a container. Like, suppose docker run, docker container run. Also you can write as per the new latest container docker container run. And I want to do what? I want to run a Ubuntu image as a container, and let's name it something. Ubuntu name equals to Ubuntu. So this is going to be the name of my container. Okay, and this is going to be the image. Okay, so let's hit enter, and now you will do hit docker container. So it is in a stopped state, right? So what name we gave, you can check it from here. Like, this is what the name we gave, right? Ubuntu. So we will try to start. So the command is docker container start, and the docker image id. This is the container id, right? So if you will give it 40, it will start your container. Now you will do docker ls. So why this is happening? Because there is nothing running behind the container. Okay, so for that, what I wanted to show you, let me show you how we can make a executable container that should keep on running. So I will create a container, docker container, and docker container -d, and this is what will help you to run your container into detached mode. Okay, -d. So once it is there, now what you have to do, you have to name a container, like suppose Java app. Okay, and after that, which image you want to use? Ubuntu image I want to use, and give it any command. So it should be in sleep for 30 seconds. Okay, again and again, this typo. So docker run into detached mode. This will be the name of the container. Using this image they have to create, and this is the command I wanted to execute. Once I will hit enter, you will do docker container. So in this series we are going with the the troubleshooting part as well. As I have told you, this is the second video of this series. So let me clear the screen now. Again we will do. So see, this is how your container will be running up to 30 seconds. Okay, now what was the thing, like how we can we have seen how we can run into detached mode, like in the background. Correct, we have keep this is running into the background only, we are not doing anything with that. So now how we can stop that? Docker container stop command. And which container do you want to stop? 1818. Hit enter. Now once you will check docker container Docker container ls, it is not there, right? Where it will be? It will be here. Okay, so what was the name of our container? This Java app, right? So now you have stopped it. Now you want to start the Docker container. Okay, Docker container start, and what is the container ID? That is 18 again. Okay, now let's try to access Docker container ls. So like this, you know, you can start and stop your container, you can run your container into the background. So this is what we have seen in the previous session. We have seen like how we can create list and remove a container, and in this series we have seen how we can run a container into background. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. Let's go for the third one.